Have great comfort and cushioning as you're running and having a great day with this silhouette from On. This silhouette has an upper that's made with a breathable, recycled textile, mesh and synthetic, keeping it secure as well as durable. It has a trendy white look to it with open perforated detail to keep the airflow moving throughout. It has an external lace-up that's mixed with a sock-like collar, allowing you to slip your foot in very easily and acting as a cage over the midfoot for better security. The heel counter across the back has a broad wrap that stays locked down, while the padding throughout makes sure that you're comfortable. The foam footbed in the bottom also has excellent cushioning with a contoured shape, and the midsole-outsole combo is where the real cushioning comes from. It has the CloudTec Helion superfoam design that offers increased forefoot cushioning and lots of padding in the heel to give it better shock absorption. The extreme rocker shape will keep you moving forward with the re-engineered speedboard technology, helping to naturally roll your muscles easily. It has a ton of flex throughout to add to its propulsiveness, and there's rubber pads at the toe and the heel to add additional grip.